Did you know that there's a little known secret that can take your content and marketing strategy to a whole nother level? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm going to take you into the world of content repurposing, where tiny little tweaks can actually transform your content into multiple pieces of content. We're going to unlock the mysteries behind content repurposing and show you how it can really help your marketing game. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi. I'm Jen Vasquez, your friendly business cheerleader. On this channel, I am all about helping female service providers like you excel in marketing, Pinterest strategies, my favorite, content creation, and mastering those marketing workflows to work smarter, not harder. Be sure to hit that subscribe button because I release a new video every week on Sundays, so let's grow your business together. Repurposing, squeezing every drop of juice from that content that you created through blood, sweat, and tears. The real magic of content repurposing really lies in its ability to squeeze every single drop of value from that content you created and to actually make it shine in multiple forms across multiple platforms. That's the goal of repurposing. By taking one brilliant idea and molding it into various engaging formats, you are not just going to amplify your message, you are going to be casting a wider net and ensuring that your content reaches every nook and cranny of the digital universe, reaching out to your ideal client. This is why mastering the art of repurposing is like having a secret weapon in your toolbox, your marketing toolbox. When you repurpose content, you're giving your ideas a chance to strut their stuff in front of a larger audience. Expanding your reach means that more potential eyeballs, and you can create strong relationships with the ones that you already have. It's like throwing a party and inviting everyone, no matter their preferred communication style. So whether your audience loves reading or watching or listening, you are there, ready to engage them in their comfort zone. And I know this because I literally do it. Every single video is the core of all of my content, from blogs to YouTube to my podcasts to my social media. It is kind of how I work, and that's why I'm sharing this with you today. But that's not all. Repurposing content also saves you precious time and resources. Instead of struggling to come up with fresh ideas every day or even multiple times a day, you can focus on transforming your existing content. This not only keeps the content flowing, but also frees up your time to handle other crucial aspects of your marketing strategy. Plus, it's like giving your brand a booster shot. Repetition is the key to memory, and by consistently sharing your core ideas in various forms across various platforms, you create a rock-solid narrative that sticks with your audience. It's like your content becomes a catchy tune that they just can't get out of their head, enhancing brand recognition and loyalty. In essence, content repurposing is truly your ticket to maximizing the value of your content. So let's unlock this hidden potential in our content and watch our brand soar to new heights. Strategies, turning one idea into many. All right, here is where the fun really begins. With content repurposing, you can take a single idea and turn it into a thrilling adventure that captivates your audience. This isn't just about maximizing your content's value. It's about making sure that your message reaches every single corner of the digital playground. Picture this. You've got an amazing blog post bursting with insights. It's going to just help everybody you know out there. Now, why not turn those insights into eye-catching infographics? Or you're taking your message and turning it into bite-sized pieces of visual delights. These little nuggets are not only shareable, but also perfect for those who prefer their content with a side of visuals. Who doesn't love an eye-catching infographic? I love them. Turn your blog post into podcasts or create video summaries of your articles. It's like turning your content into a multimedia extravaganza, catering to the ever-growing audio and video fan club. You're not just providing an alternative format, but you're reaching new audiences who have a soft spot for audio or video. Keep in mind too that adding a video or even a podcast to your blog makes that blog even more valuable on Google and it gets seen more. So definitely share the love, because some people will do a search, they'll go to your blog and they'll be like, shoo, there's a video. I love watching video. I love consuming video when I'm trying to learn something. And what about those evergreen blog posts that deserve a second, third, or even fourth life? Repurpose them into a series of social media posts or a downloadable ebook. By doing this, you ensure your core ideas keep making waves and offering different points for your audience to dive into your content. With these strategies, you'll create content that caters to diverse preferences and consumption habits. This is how you connect with your audience on various platforms and give them content that they crave in the way they crave to absorb it, and also expand your reach. Optimizing reach, taking your content on a little adventure. Now that you've transformed your content into various engaging pieces, it's time to publish them across different platforms. To truly make the most of your repurposed content, it's helpful to meet your audience where they hang out and deliver your message in a way that speaks to them on the way that that platform tends to speak. Right? Gone are the days when one blog post ruled them all. Today, people are consuming content in a variety of ways and across multiple channels. Some like reading, others like enjoying watching a video to absorb that learning lesson, and some are all about listening on their walk with their dogs. By repurposing your content into different formats, you will become a master of versatility, ensuring that your message resonates with everyone. Imagine taking that comprehensive blog post that you wrote through blood, sweat, and tears and turning it into a webinar, or like we mentioned before, an infographic, or a series of social media posts, or maybe an Instagram live, or a short form video on YouTube. You're hitting different chords, reaching potential customers who prefer live events, those who crave visual content, and those that love quick bites of information on social media. But there's more to it. By repurposing your content across different channels, you can play to the strengths of each platform. Videos are fantastic for engagement on YouTube and Instagram, so why not transform your written content into visually captivating videos? You're not just expanding your reach, you're creating a whole new fan base. And let's not forget about those hidden gems that you've tucked away. Turn a podcast episode into a blog post or an ebook, and you'll attract those who prefer reading or downloading content. It's like leaving little breadcrumbs all across the digital forest for people to pick up and consume, and also leading new followers to your brand's doorstep. There's a whole bunch of possibilities when you repurpose content. And by optimizing reach and taking your content on a little adventure to different platforms, you're positioning yourself for the next level of engagement. Boosting engagement, making your audience swoon. Now that your content is rocking and rolling across various platforms, it's time to turn up that engagement volume by tailoring your content to suit diverse preferences. You're not just capturing attention, but you're putting yourself on various platforms. So when anyone searches for you on Google, up are going to come all of these things, from Pinterest to LinkedIn to everywhere. It's going to pop up in that search. And when people see that you're everywhere, they tend to view you as a real expert. And here's a spicy idea. Make your content interactive, whether it's a quiz or a calculator or an interactive map. Interactive content invites your audience to play along. It's like giving them a front row seat to a personalized show. Interactive content also relates to people because the results are more personal to them. And interactive content not only stands out, but also creates a unique, memorable experience. And of course, we can never ignore the power of video. Videos add life and soul to your message, and by repurposing your blog post or webinars into video content, you're connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Videos also have a knack for going viral on occasion on social media or even YouTube Shorts, giving your brand's visibility a big boost. But remember, engagement is a two-way street. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.